Very strong within perfect from brilliant sacrifice with Masters round number 4 in Tata Steel. So it means without between phases by Germany Grandmaster Matthias Bulgrom and versus by Uzbekistan by Grandmaster Jafoskir Sintaro. So it means little bit move. So almost by 27 move after the end of this game. So what do you think about the best brilliant sacrifice? So without puzzles here. So let's study up this one with chess here. White pieces with Matthias versus black pieces in Chavoskir Sindarov in this Uzbekistan. So it means I thought Matthias or Kamachas so belongs from Roderick Nava. So the name of Matthias in Germany here. So without masters, without standings after round number 4 in Tata Steel. So white plays Matthias is d4, knight f6 by Sindarov, c4, g6. So it means King's Indian defense without coming by with a dark square bishop to g7 with Sindarov here, and also knight c3 by Matthias, bishop g7 with an upcoming playing castling kingside with Sindarov here, and also pawn e4 with a 3 connected pass pawn. So this is a triple pass pawn here. It is called by this one with openings with King's India defense, normal variation here. So without controls with Matthias, and also d6 with Sindarov, and also knight f3, castle kingside by Sindarov, and also pawn h3 with Matthias, without no more by bishop to g4 or knight g4. So this is a more ones of this one with connected with targets here with more moves here, and also pawn a5 with Sindarov by next by strong by pawn a4. So it means with a strong move with Sindarov, and also bishop e3 by Matthias, and also knight a6 with Sindarov here, and also bishop d3 with Matthias without coming by playing castling kingside here by ready of this castle, and also pawn e5 with Sindarov with the prepared attacks with white pawns, castle kingside with Matthias, and also captured, knight captured, and also knight c5 with Sindarov without idea without threatening the bishop. So that's the bishop here. And also without bishop backwards c2 with Matthias here, and also rook e8 with Sindarov without more of this one with rook e5. So this is a pin here. And also pawn f3 with Matthias without defense the with pawns here, and also c6. So this is a no more found on this book line with Sindarov because novelty. So this is the old main lines here with bishop to e6 here. So bishop e6 is a old main lines here. So it means so c6. So it means novelty with Sindarov here, and also queen d2 with Matthias, and also strong a4. So this is a strong move with Sindarov. So this is a continuation here. So this is a very strong move of this once of this computer, and also rook a d1 with Matthias, and also queen a5, very strong move. So another strongest by Sindarov. So this is a good master of these determinations with Sindarov, and also bishop f4 with Matthias without disturbance with threatening the pawns. So this is a counters attacks with tempos, and also knight e6 with Sindarov without attacks this knight here, and also bishop e3 go back with Matthias, and also knight h5. So this is a more controls without idea without knight to f4. So this is a given bad move of this computer engine. So does not one of this like of this computer with Sindarov here. So the best move this one is knight captured continues d4. So knight captures d4 if you bishop captured knights here, and also without bishop to e6 here. So bishop e6. So this is a once of this computer here. So this is a slightly better for blacks. So back there, this Sindarov is knight h5 here, and also knight capture. So this is a bad move from Matthias. So the best move this one is knight to de2 here. So knight de2 is a more controls from better move here. So according this one with computer engine, so this is a slightly better for whites here with Matthias. So back there, this one is knight captured with Matias here. And also knight takes captured with Sindaro. Bishop captured, so this is a more diagonals with bishop to bishop. With that same by this one with colorings with attacks here. And bishop captured with Sindaro. Queen captured. And also queen g5. So without idea with plannings with Sindaro, without next up this one with knight to f4 without threatening by mating net. So this is a next up this maneuver very strong from this Japoscair Sindaro. And also without rook d2 because this is a more controls with rooks without defense the pawn. So this is so it means without next here by knight to f4. So this is a rooks without defense the without pawns with protects of this one with developments by Matias and also knight f4. So this is a determinations controls without plannings with Sindaro, without idea with bishop captured sacrifice. Okay, without bishop captured without sacrifice, so this is a attacks without queens, without threats the pawns, without threatening mating net. So it means without threatening mating net and also knight captured. So this is a triple attacks with more controls with strong move by Japoscair Sindaro. And also without king h1, so without properly active good move with Matias here and also without queen h6 with Sindaro here and also queen captured d6 here. So it means the first puzzle. So what do you think about the with a strong by brilliant move by Japoscair Sindaro? So once of this computer. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Is bishop captured pawn sacrifice brilliant. So very strong move by Japoscair Sindaro. So this is a brilliant sacrifice with puzzles here. So once at this computer here. And Matias is captured with sacrifice here and bishop and also rook e6 with Sindaro. Very strong move. Without idea with plannings with attacks with threats the disturbance with queens here. And also without queen c5, what happened by Matias? So it means blunder ratios from these white pieces. So this is a evaluation bar, lowest evaluation bar, so it versus highest evaluation bar. So the best move this one is queen to d7. So queen d7, not queen c5 here. So without more controls, without backwards, queen to d7 here. So it means if you queen captured here without check, if you queen h take check and also king to g1. So if you queen g3 here and also king h1, so it means if you check, so it means this is a 3 repetition draw. So it means check, so it means this is a 3 repetition draw. So same by draw. So it means repeating up this 3 times here. So after queen c5 blunderation, so the second puzzle. So what do you think about the second with perfect shot, the ones of this computer with Japoscair brilliant sacrifice? So it means very nice of this computer, once of this computer with love of this brilliant sacrifice here with Grandmaster. So second puzzle, so we're waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. So another second brilliant sacrifice. Knight d3, perfect shot by Javuskir Sindaro. Very perfect move with knight d3, brilliant sacrifice move. So this is a perfect strong move. So look at the evaluation bar for black. So this is highest strong average evaluation bar. So it means a very perfect shot by Javuskir Sindaro. And also with Machas here is rook captured knight with sacrifice here. And also with a queen captured h3 check, and also king g1, and also excellent perfect shot by Javuskir is queen g3 check, and also king h1, and also the last of this finishing move with lose of game over is pawn g5 with that idea with threatening by mating net. So Matthias resigns of these white pieces, game over. So why he resigns, for example, so if you knight to c3, only move with Matthias, and game over, rook h6, mating net, goodbye, pass away with white pieces. So game over. So I thought Javuskir in Darov so very win because the very strong perfect, so it means very concentrations, and also with master of this Uzbekistan. So the score with Matthias is 85.5, and the highest score accuracy 96.8, Javuskir Darov. So the winner, Javuskir. Congratulations here. So our next up this round number 5 with challengers, so 2 games analyzed. So it means between from Faustino Oro from International Master Argentina versus International Master China, Lu Miaoyi. So it means with that round number 4 with last year with 2025. So it means Faustino Oro versus Lu Miaoyi. So it means so black loss of this Miao Miao. So what do you think? So if you win of this one with round number 5, Faustino Oro versus Lu Miaoyi, and also the second game with the Daniel from Spanish, so Spain versus Eli Roberts from Netherlands. So I will do of this second game analyze here from next game. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17, aka I Cool Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and don't forget to subscribe by notification below from this my YouTube account, Mark Logi 17, speaking English, and also speak Tagalog Cebuano, Mark Logi 17 part 2. So don't forget to subscribe by notification below. So don't forget to watch up these videos, and it's okay by grammar, so it means you need to proper my grammar. And also don't forget to like and this one in my videos. So keep updates of this next chess dates. Good night everyone.